This is a used 2013 Ford C-Max Hybrid, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Key Scales Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1719 North Citrus Boulevard, Leesburg, Florida 34748.